Hello, good morning children. In the previous class, you have studied about the different types of climates. Today, let us study about the factors affecting the climate of a place. What are the factors? They are the distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, and wind and humidity. These are the factors, children. First one, distance from the equator. The places from the distance from the equator. Now this is the earth, children. It revolves around the sun and this is the sun. This is the vertical rays of the sun. Vertical rays of the sun, children. When the earth receives the vertical rays, we experience summer. It is very hot and we experience summer. When the rays are slanting, we experience winter. The portions which do not receive the vertical rays of the sun, then that places we experience winter, and these places we experience the summer. So the distance near the equator we experience the summer, and the places which are farther away from the equator we experience the winter. That is the first one, distance from the equator. Second one is the height above the sea level. The places above the sea level, the height above the sea level. The places above the sea level will be cooler than the near the sea level. So now this is the picture, children. Distance, places located above the sea level are cooler than the places located at the sea level. Now this is the place above the sea level, children, and this is the place near the sea level. This is above sea level. It will be very cooler than the places near the sea level. So Bangalore is cooler because it is 3000 feet above the sea level. 3000 feet above the sea level. So places above the sea level will be cooler than the near the sea level. Then next one, distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Now distance from the sea, places closer to the sea are cooler than have milder climate than those who are away from the sea, because they experience sea breeze. Now distance from the sea, the places near to the sea have milder climate, that is moderate climate, neither hot nor cold, because they experience sea breeze. What is sea breeze? The wind blow from the sea, so it experiences the milder climate. Then the places far away from the sea. Then wind and humidity. Wind and humidity also plays a major factor in affecting the climate of the place, because the wind blown from the Thar desert, which is in the Punjab or Rajasthan, will make they live very hot during summer. So this wind and humidity. Then the coastal areas, the places in the coastal areas will have milder climate, will have the moderate climate, and will be humidity because of the evaporation from the ocean, water of the sea and the ocean. Children, factors affecting the climate of a place. You have learned about the distance from the equator, the places near to the equator experience summer because it is very hot, and places away from the equator experiences winter because there will be slanting rays of the sun. And height above the sea level, the places above the sea level will experience will be more cooler than the places near the sea level. Height above the sea level will be cooler than the places near the sea level. Then distance from the sea, the places near to the sea will experience milder climate because of the sea breeze blown from the sea, and the places away from the sea, away from the sea, it will be milder climate because near the sea rather than the places away from the sea. Wind and humidity will play a major role in the affecting the climate. The wind blown from one place, that is from the Thar desert, will affect the Delhi. During the summer time, it will be more hot, experience summer, very hot in the Delhi because of the wind blown from the Thar desert. And humidity in the coastal areas. Coastal areas experience humid climate, humidity because of the evaporation of water from the oceans and the sea. These are the factors affecting the climate, children. Thank you, children.